friend. If I can grab it. Look what Heart Candy sent me. A bunch of lip oils. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the card. So this is what it looks like. And the key benefits are vitamin E and squalene. I believe that's how you pronounce that word. Provided intense hydration. Jojoba oil forms a protective barrier to lock in moisture. So we have 2, 4, 6 different ones. You can see right there. So crystal clarity, berry divine, deep desire. I like the peach dream, pink paradise, and scarlet bliss. Yeah, and also, if you don't know, I love stickers. Look at the stickers. Yeah, I have a weakness for stickers. And look, a little cute miniature tote bag came in the box too. It's so cute. It says Heart Candy on it. I really like the groovy design that they went with for this lip oil set. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. Yes, I'm gonna swatch all of them. Pray for my lips. That didn't, you know what? So yeah, here's what she looks like up close. This is obviously the clear one. And this type of ball packaging has been really popular lately. This one is called Crystal Clarity. So yeah, let me see. I think there's a smell. Yeah, I think there's a slight sweet smell to it. Yeah, very, very mild. So if you're super sensitive to smells, this isn't going to be too bad for you. But yeah, here's a clear one. Yeah, very, very mild smell. But yeah, let's get on to the next one because I'm really interested to get into this purple one. Yeah. All right, next up is Peach Dream. Oh, wait, this one has a stronger smell to it. Okay, this is what she looks like. I like the applicator. It's like really wide, so it can cover a lot of area in a short amount of time. Yeah, this smells a little bit stronger. I'm guessing it's supposed to be peach. It's not. It's giving slight peach. Very, very slight, mild peach. But again, I like this. Yeah. Yeah. Peachy. This one is Pink Paradise. These probably won't show up that well on my lips because my lips are naturally kind of like a pale pink. Yeah, it has a slight smell to it. Very mild though. So yeah, what's this called again? Pink, yeah, Pink Paradise. She's cute. Next is Scarlet Bliss. It's one of the darker ones. I'm sorry, they're all looking the same on me, but I told you I have pink lips, so I'm not gonna show it that well on me. Again, a very mild smell. Yeah, what is it? I keep forgetting. Scarlet Bliss. So cute. These are obviously gonna look good, obviously on their own, but if you put like a little lip liner with it, yeah. Okay, Miss Scarlet Bliss, we see you. Here. Okay, now we get into some color. This is called Deep Desire. Let's see if she's gonna give us some color. So, okay, Miss Deep Desire. We see you giving me a little bit of color. Okay. Again, a very light scent, nothing too offensive. Yeah, these are juicy. Go and get you some of these. And last but not least, Berry Divine. Ooh, she's a little juicy. Okay. Super pretty. Yet again. Yeah. Very divine. It's so pretty. Friend, final thought. Do I think you need to go out and get all of them? Girl, no. Pick your favorite color. Get that one. You basically have all the colors. Like, yes, obviously the tones are different. But if you naturally have really, like, pigmented lips, like pink lips, and they're all going to kind of sort of look the same on you. But, yeah, just pick your favorite one. And bestie, we can be juicy together. You know what? Yeah, I like that. We can be juicy together, period. Thank you, Heart Candy.